Ask Payne, I got a ton of them. One from Dan. He said, does last night strengthen Trump's hand in the world with trade or stay about the same? Seems pretty clear American farmers are behind the president. Yes, not only did his Senate candidates and soybean growing county win, but they won big time. I think President Xi in China is paying attention. W.J. Walker wants to know your thoughts about Amazon stock. I got to tell you something. I think Amazon is facing competition on several fronts, from retail to cloud, and investors are going to probably have to adjust the way they look at this company. But long term, I think the stock goes significantly higher from here. I think it will dominate in its core businesses, and it's got a lot of other businesses that have a lot of room to grow. And then there's my boy, Todd Bubba Horowitz. Thanks for the shout out. He said, Charles, what are you drinking? Send me some of it. I want to feel good. We know the Fed will blow it, as history proves. Markets will close the year lower than they are now. Commodities are the place to be for now. I got to tell you, I mentioned it earlier in the show. I have to believe that Jay Powell, who, by the way, is a student of history and not a classically trained Fed head, is going to do the right thing. At least I'm hoping this time will be different. That's why it's incredibly important tomorrow that maybe Powell take that opportunity, at least the first opportunity he can, to clarify the range. What's neutrality? And let the market know the Fed won't blow it again. Then there's Jim in Minneapolis. He wants to know how high Berkshire Hathaway shares will go. He owns it at $64 a share. Jim, I'm jealous. I got to tell you something, too. First, congratulations. I'm long the stock as well, but at a much higher price. Here's the thing. The company just reported, and I'm not sure how high it's going to go, but the company reported the stock did very well. Warren Buffett bought back $1 billion worth of his own stock. So I think the business is humming, especially in the rail business. They've got some pricing power there. I say stay the course with this stock. I don't think you can go wrong. And then there's Martin C. Burrell, Jr. He says, can you explain to your viewers what a margin call is? I think this is a great question because many believe this is a huge problem for the market. First of all, margin. According to FINRA, you get margin as a loan that you get from a firm when you buy securities. Now, you can buy securities on margin, but you have to repay the amount that you borrow and the interest. And if you lose money on your investment, you got to pay that back, too. And the equity in your account, when it falls below a maintenance level that's required, the firm can sell other securities in your account. That's the margin call. They cover that deficiency. In January, FINRA warned about the record level of margin debt outstanding. But more importantly, they were concerned about how quickly it grew. It was $100 billion in just 1 year. That warning spooked the market, and margin debt has actually ebbed since then. But beware, when you borrow this stuff, you got to pay it back. Hey, I got a ton of these questions. I appreciate them. I love answering them. I'm going to answer the rest of them. Also, 2 stocks I just bought my own account. Go to my website, wstreet.com. I give you free daily commentary every day, but I want to finish up the rest of those Ask Paynes. A lot of good stuff.